कॉन्टिन्यूएशन में है, कनेक्शन में है, ठीक है। This is exercise 5.4, your optional exercise question 1. As it is connected to the question which we have done previously, I am taking it first. And the question is, which term of the AP, which term of the AP 121, 117, 113 is its first negative term? Its first negative term. Children, is the given AP increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Is it decreasing? The AP is decreasing. So continuing like this, there will come a point when the terms will start becoming negative in nature. When the terms will start becoming negative.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. To understand this, I would first like to give you one small example. Let's see, beta. Suppose I am given this AP. Let's say 8, 5, 2. This is an AP. I have to ask you which term of this AP is the first negative term?
Ma'am.
Which term?
Minus
Can you
one.
answer?
Minus.
Is your answer -1?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen to me
ma'am.
carefully. Which term? Which term is the first negative term?
Fifth
My
term.
question is
Fifth.
Fifth term.
Fifth term.
which term का answer is the fifth term, not -1. Answer -1 नहीं है. Answer is fifth term. Fifth में 5. Which variable is 5? Is this your n? Is this your n, beta? So fifth term is your first negative term. Obviously, after fifth term, all the other terms will be negative as well. But my question was, which is the first negative term? So the first negative term is fifth term, and in fifth term the answer is n. Clear? तो अब मुझे क्या करना है? I have to take care of this. So in here also I have to find which term. Which term means we have to find value of which variable, beta?
N.
What is the relation? Fifth term means A5. And what is the value of A5? -1.
A1.
But children, here we do not. My condition here is that the which term is the negative term. If you remember, we have done previous question, which term will be 0? You remember? We have done a question where we were doing which term of the AP is 0. Remember, children? And when we were solving it, we equated AN to 0. Is that what we did?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that what we did?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here I have to find negative term. In maths, negative means less than 0. So now in this question, I will be putting the condition that which term is first negative term means that AN has to be less than 0. AN has to be less than 0. This is the condition we are going to solve for the given question, right? So we shall first find the first term and the common difference. So here, first term A1 is equal to 1 to 1. Common difference D is 117 minus 121, which is -4. Alright, which is -4. So what we are going to do is let nth term be its first negative term. Let nth term be its first negative term. That is, an is less than 0. Clear? And now putting the formula of an, which is a1 plus n minus 1d less than 0. a1 is 1 to 1. d is minus 4, children. So put it minus 4 in the bracket, is less than 0. Now, whenever we have equality, it's very simple to solve it. But here we have inequality. Less than or greater than is known as inequality. Here we have inequality. So we need to be a little more careful. Let us expand this. As there is nothing that side, हम इसको solve कर लेते हैं. So this gives me 121 minus 4 into n. This gives me minus 4n. And minus minus gives me 4 plus. Minus
4.
minus plus. Now what is 121 plus 4?
125.
Okay. Keeping variable on one side, 125 on that side will become minus 125. Till here everything is fine. But now there is a twist that you need to understand, because here it is inequality. Had it been an equal to sign, better we would have cancelled minus minus from both the sides. But now you just understand this thing. We have minus 4 is smaller than minus 1. यही होता है? On number line we know minus 4 is less than minus 1. But does it mean that negative and negative sign cancel and 4 is also less than 1?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It means 4 is greater than 1. So this is something you have to take care while solving inequality. That if both the sides you have negative sign, then negative and negative will get cancelled. But the inequality also gets changed. The inequality will get changed. Greater 2 will become smaller 2, smaller 2 will become greater 2. And you can always think of example like this. So here, this would mean that 4n is greater than 125. G. And this means n is greater than 125 upon 4. And this means n is greater than, let us divide. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. 1 is left. So point n ho gaya wo 2 more. So the n has to be greater than 31.25. Again, n is what? n क्या होता है आपका?
Natural number.
Yeah, whole number.
The condition was that it is a first negative term, and we are getting that n has to be greater than 31.25. So that means, according to you, which is the first negative term, children?
131st.
32nd term. Yes. So
Yes.
32nd term will be the first negative term, because n has to be a natural number, and according to the condition, n is coming out to be greater than 31 point something. और इसका मतलब ये भी है बेटा कि 31st term will be 0. But again, 0 is a part of this AP or not, that you have to check. Are you with me? So this concludes that 32nd term will be its first negative term. Will be its first negative term.
मैम ये तो
क्या?
जरूरी नहीं है ना इसमें कि 31st टर्म 0 होगी, वो भी तो हमें चेक ही करना पड़ेगा ना.
वो 0 ही होगा. That has to be 0. Greater than 31.25 वो negative हो रहा है, तो that means 31st term पे वो कहीं 0 बन रहा है. That is a condition. Clear? So this is how this question has to be done.
मैम
अच्छा.
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता